So when I go to form1.cpp, here it is, here's my empty event handler. So now you say, oh, I need to set my text box, I need to just write in my text box, okay? Now, what's the property of a text box that tells you the text inside of it? Text, and it's pretty much the same for everything. All the control that somehow display something, that property is text. If you're a button, there's something written on top of the button, that's the text of the button, okay? If there's something different about that, then the documentation will tell you, or you'll see when you practice. So essentially here I say, hey, what I want is I want the text, well, the text box, yeah, text box. And here, this is helping you saying text box 1, okay? And the text box 1, you're gonna say, hey, the text of it, okay, is going to be equal to, oh, we have a scroll bar, so H scroll bar 1 dot, and here it says toString, but it's value, and it says toString. Now, we have a hint in there, and the reason it does that is because what is the type? By that I mean, you know, is it a string, is it an integer, is it a float? What is the type of text of that property of the text box 1? What is the type?
String name.
It's a string, okay? But what is the type of the value of scroll bar?
Integer.
It's an integer. You can't put an integer in a string. That's why you have every object or every class has a toString method which provides its string presentation. So if it's an integer, 23, it turns that into a string that is 23. But not everything makes sense to do that. You may end up with, I don't know, a class that is a person that has a weight and a height, hair color, whatever. You may want the toString to say, my name is,